In today's video, I will walk you through how to contact Bitfinex support. If you ever need assistance with your account, have a question about a feature, or need help resolving an issue, Bitfinex provides a support center where you can submit requests and communicate with their support team. Knowing how to access this section can help you get the assistance you need more efficiently. To begin, navigate to the bottom of the page and under Support section, click Help Center. This area serves as the main hub for customer assistance and provides access to the available support resources. Once you're in the support section, take a moment to browse the Help Center. Many common questions and account-related topics are covered in the available articles, so you may be able to find an answer without needing to contact the support team directly. If you still need assistance, look for the chat icon in the lower right side and click it. This allows you to contact a live agent and may help you with the problem you're experiencing within the platform. You can also include screenshots or other supporting documents that help illustrate the issue. Be sure to review your attachments before submitting the request. For the best experience, keep your communication clear and respond promptly if the support team requests more information. This can help move the resolution process along more smoothly. And that's how to contact Bitfinex support.